Hey everyone, want to create business reports in Looker Studio? In this video, I'll show you how to build a professional business report step by step. First, open Looker Studio and create a new report. Connect your business data sources, such as Google Sheets, Google Analytics, sales platforms, or other supported tools. Next, add important charts, tables, and scorecards to display key business metrics like revenue, sales, customers, and performance. Now organize your report layout by creating sections for different areas of your business. A clear structure makes your data easier to analyze. You can add filters, date range controls, and interactive features so users can explore specific data periods or categories. Customize the design by changing themes, fonts, colors, and adding branding elements to create a professional look. After building your report, review all metrics and charts to make sure the information is accurate. Finally, save the report and share it with your team, clients, or stakeholders. And that's how you create business reports in Looker Studio. With the right data and visualizations, you can create dashboards that help you understand performance and make better decisions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.